Gates had mentioned in one of his TEDx talk in the year 2015 that there was a time when the major disaster people worried about was nuclear war. But today, the greatest risk for the population is a global catastrophe. If anything, that killed 10 million people. It was not a war, but a virus, a small virus. And that became true by seeing the condition of coronavirus scare. How a single virus that started from Wuhan has now reached to almost all the country. In India, if you see the data, we have total reported cases of 170, more than 170, and our 17 states have got affected by coronavirus. But the silver lining is we have total reported deaths, which is only 3. In Rajasthan also, we have 3 positive patients which have been cured so far. And our government are taking the remedial measures of closing all the possible things like schools and cancelling all the public events, halting the international and domestic travel. So the most important measure which government is also canvassing these days is a social distancing. Social distancing is a buzzword in the time of corona scare. But what I would feel that the best phrase is a physical distancing, because the goal is to separate the person physically or to create the spaces between the two, because COVID-19 is most likely to spread from person to person, and ideally 2 feet distance is harder for virus to spread because it doesn't have any vaccine or treatment. So the disease, if we see, the most powerful remedial measure is the physical distancing, because physical distancing is required in order to protect the most vulnerable groups, especially elderly, children, and those who are most susceptible to infection. So physical distancing is needed, but socially we must stay. You connect with your peer group, with your family members, with your employers, with your community members, and over the phone or the social media to provide the emotional support, and that is what required today.